Hey guys, so continuing on with a few extra problems on page 728. Sorry, the last video I cut myself off accidentally, but the final answer for that was 1y over 8z. Okay, so picking up with number 22, we're going to need to factor this one completely. So in the numerator, all right, we're going to do our 2 parentheses. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to hold and film. Okay, so factors of 21 that multiply to be 21 that add to be 10 would be 3 times 7. So you factor like that. And then on the bottom over here, you can actually divide out an x there. So remember, that's like taking out a common factor. So you want to do that first. That's going to leave you x squared plus just x minus 42. Like that. Okay, well, on the bottom, that'll actually, here, I'm just going to write the top again because we're finished with the top for now. Okay, so on the bottom, that'll actually factor again. So factors, remember, this is an understood 1. If you don't see a number in the middle, it's an understood 1. Factors of 42 that multiply to be 42, but that subtract to be 1 would be 6 times 7. So, and your signs are plus minus. So that's completely factored there. Okay, so now if you notice anything that can cancel, which there is something here, we can cancel out these x plus 7s. So you end up with an x plus 3 in the numerator. On the bottom, you have an x and an x minus 6 remaining. And that's it. That's that one. Let's check that answer. Yes, that's correct. Okay, and then one more on number 24. Okay, so number 24 in the numerator, you can't do anything. So I'm just going to rewrite that. But in the denominator, those are both divisible by 3. They're also both divisible by x squared. You can take out, a 3. That, remember we talked about before spring break, we talked about taking out a common factor. Your common factor there would be 3x squared. So that's going to leave you with an x. If you have x to the third and you take away 2 of them, you have 1 left, right? Plus, and then 6 divided by 3, that's going to leave you a 2. Okay? I'll just check and make sure we're good, okay? All right, so that's all the factoring you can do. But now we can cancel. That 3 will cancel with that 3. This x to the third will cancel with this x squared. There's 2 of them here. There's 3 of them in the top. That's going to leave you 1 remaining x in the top. So the only thing you have left is x over x plus 2 for that problem. So that's number 24.